Alyssa. I'm upstairs right now. So you can tell I'm not at my old house, the house that I've been doing my videos at, because we have a snowstorm, and me and my brother were playing outside in the snow, and it's like 10 inches, like 10 feet high. Let me show you, because it's like so cool, guys. I don't know if you can see, because it's nighttime right now, but yeah. I don't know if it's still there. Guys, I don't think you can see, but it's snowing, guys, out there. It's pretty cool, guys. But you can see it, like, because we have a little thing. I'm going to have to pause the video because you're sleeping, and I want to show you where. Yep, so see you there. Okay, so everybody's asleep, so there's some snow up there. I don't know if you can see, guys. Oh God! See all that snow, guys? See it? It's like so much snow. Okay, I don't know if you can just see all that snow. Stairs and everything. So. Gotta go downstairs now. So I'm back upstairs, guys, and yeah. So I hope you've seen it, cause it's kind of dark out there, and excuse me. And yeah. So yeah. So anyway, my video is gonna be about, I don't know. It's just vlogging. So guys, I'm also going to be talking. Well, I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to do some stuff. But I just got to think about it. So, I'm sitting here watching Hangry Danger right now. And look at my hair. It's got super curly. Once I did my makeup, everything. And anyway, you guys, that's what I'm doing. So, yeah, if you want, I'm going to give you my, well, mine, but, yeah, anyway, but, yeah, guys, it's super bad out there, and I hope you're safe. Comment down below and tell me if it snowed there or not, because today you're supposed to just comment down below. And because today we had like a snow blizzard, and it wasn't so good. But we played in the snow. It's not still snowing, but it was snowing. But now it's like about this high up to, well, actually about this high. And like, just kidding, it's not that high, guys. It's about right to here, and that's about my height and stuff, and I like it. But anyway, I think that's going to be all for my video today, and I hope you enjoy. I mostly just did talk, but yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. So, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And now I'm well, guys, please comment down below. please subscribe. And I really want somebody to comment. Just please comment, please comment, please comment. Because I have no comments. And I only have 3 subscribers. And I want to get it to 160. So, but I don't think that's ever going to happen. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. Bye.